We make no money off grain farming. In fact, we lose money grain farming because we have the cost of that retirement care. We treat that like rent on the farm. It'll be in the red this year. Guaranteed it'll be in the red this year. And I just have one parent that's that way. There are families out there that have parents from both sides. They could have multiple parents and healthcare, retirement home, nursing home. It is an absolute killer. That's another thing that's just trashing family farms.